Generative Fill in Adobe Photoshop is crazy. It blows my mind how good it is. With just a few words, I went from this image to this one. So let me show you how I did it. First, I made a selection of this road by using the object selection tool, which is also an AI by the way. Now I click on the Generative Fill button and I write river. Then I click on generate. And voila, now I have three options to choose from. If I don't like them, I can regenerate the prompt, the same prompt or something else, again and again as many times as I want. I will choose the middle one, and now I will select the lasso tool and create a selection in the middle of the river, and then click again on the Generative Fill button and type in a bot. Then click on generate. There we go. I like the second image again, and for the last part of this video I'm gonna create another selection, and now I will type tunnel. Alright, I believe the last image is the best, so I will select it, and here is the before and after. Let me know what you think about this tool, guys. Let me know how you use it. In my case, I use it for improving images, for example removing objects and stuff like this. So give a like to this video and I see you next time.